display. Greg Collier, because of his incredible athleticism, can keep this T-33 in front of you like literally nobody else in the world. Watch him as he has these 6G turnarounds in the T-33. Set it up. We'll not only see the maximum turn radius demonstrated, we'll also see some high-speed passes, but also a handling display that truly exhibits the full range of performance of the T-33. So back in the 1950s, the United States developed the first jet fighter for all practical purposes. Started flying over there in Korea. And after a while, they realized that they were going to need a trainer, a jet trainer. So what they did essentially was stretch that P-80, the F-80, into the T-33, the Shooting Star. Why do they call it the Shooting Star? Well, hang on a second. As this airplane comes back into view, I want you to look closely at the profile of this aircraft, especially when Greg rocks it up on the wing. You'll notice those huge tip tanks on this airplane make it look, yes, indeed, like a shooting star. See what we're talking about when he picks up here on the left side of the box. Here's the pull, there's the wing, and yes, right here, the Shooting Star. You can see it now. Right there on the left side of the box, Greg Collier pulling about 6.5 Gs all the way around. His body weighs about 6 times its normal weight. Greg's a big guy, a tall man, but very, very athletic. His heart working overtime right now as he grunts to get that jet back into position for you, so you can see this thing displayed right up close and personal. Let's watch him now from the left here. What should be an old-fashioned slow roll. There you go. That in itself a difficult maneuver with the T-33. Entering on the same line and exiting on it as well. This aircraft has no computer controls. It's not something that flies itself. It's all up to Greg Collier here. The Shooting Star. It's a huge lazy 8. Watch him pull around here. You'll hear that big Arinda engine inside. Now he's going to spin it back around to the other side. Bring it right down to the same position. Now here in Australia, this particular jet is flying on a special kind of exhibition. Greg's routine a lot of times would actually turn behind